Microsoft 365 is more than just a suite of tools. It's your gateway to enhanced productivity. With our email migration services, we ensure your vital business communications transition smoothly, keeping you connected without a hitch. When it comes to moving your on-premises Active Directory to the cloud, we specialize in making that shift seamless, so you can enjoy the benefits of Microsoft's robust infrastructure. Our Microsoft Intune deployment services empower you to manage devices effectively, ensuring security and compliance across your organization. Speaking of security, we implement top-notch measures tailored for your Microsoft 365 environment, safeguarding your data and giving you peace of mind. And let's not forget about Microsoft 365 Copilot. Our comprehensive onboarding services will get you up and running, maximizing your productivity from day one. With us, you're not just adopting a platform, you're embracing a smarter way to work. Microsoft 365 is more than just a suite of tools. It's your gateway to enhanced productivity.